How to reorder contacts in favorites on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, you will see favorites is here. If you want to reorder your favorite contacts, so click on this three dot icon and click on reorder favorites. So you will see reorder favorite is here. If you want to reorder your favorite contacts, so you will just click and hold on contact and you will see reorder from here. So after reorder, go back to home screen. So that's how you can reorder contacts in favorites on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.